Hey, this is Tim. Today we got a 2012 Honda Civic SI, I believe. Yep. We're going to be doing the rear brakes on, and I'll make a quick video show you how to do that. I'll just show you one side, of course, because just repeat the process. Alright, we can see these are gone. Alright, you're going to start off loosening the bottom one with a 12. Pull that screw out. Then you're going to flip this up. This one's stuck pretty good though. Alright, we're going to take both of them off and just kind of pry these off here. These are pretty tight because obviously they warp metal to metal, so sometimes they'll be a little stubborn, but just kind of work with them. You'll need your cube like this. Pick that up at any hardware auto parts store. Put your cube in there so it kind of matches up. And turn it clockwise so it goes all in. It ain't nothing quick. You just gotta take your time with it. Once you get it all the way in, you put your new pads on. Okay, you're gonna have new hardware to come with it. You just put your silver piece. This is the old one here. It'll go in here like this. Make sure you got your two silver pieces on the back. And then your new piece right here goes, of course, for the new, they just press down and they'll go for the new pads. You set them in there like that. You can go ahead and put your pads in these right here. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. And make sure you put these new ones on though. And that's what holds the pads on. You got one on top, one on the bottom, and then this one in the back. And your new pads should come with it. These are SC 537 ceramic. So you gotta watch this top one here. You might have to move this around with a 17 because sometimes that pin will be stuck if you're not replacing it. Move this back and forth so you can get the calipers lined up, and of course once you do, just put your bolts in. Alright, well that's pretty much it. That one done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching. Yeah, come on.